Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle cake. Making a delicious truffle cake at home is simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients and preparing our baking equipment. Then, we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for our cake. Get ready to create a truly decadent dessert. Now, let's dive into creating the perfect cake batter. First, sift your dry ingredients like flour and cocoa powder to ensure a smooth texture. In a separate bowl, cream together butter and sugar until the mixture is wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, incorporate your eggs one by one, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Finally, alternate adding the dry and wet ingredients to achieve a rich, consistent batter. With our batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the mixture into your prepared pans and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. While the cake cools, let's prepare the luxurious ganache. Heat heavy cream until simmering, then pour it over finely chopped chocolate, stirring until it's beautifully smooth and glossy. The final step is assembling and decorating your masterpiece. Ensure your cake layers are completely cool before you begin. Carefully spread a generous layer of your rich ganache between the cake layers, creating a delightful filling. Then, cover the entire cake with the remaining ganache, smoothing it out for a professional finish. For a beautiful presentation, decorate with elegant chocolate shavings or vibrant fresh berries. Enjoy your homemade truffle cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.